Yo, what is up guys? It's me Parker from Wild Survival, and in today's video we are going to be going over the fort, doing some touch-ups, making the walls strong. We're going to put more straw on the roof, more straw on the ground, so it's like kind of like a rug, if you will, and make it kind of rainproof on the top because some of the grass has fallen off and we didn't really put enough on to start, as well as the ground is very rough and bumpy, so I'm going to try and put some dead grass so that you see like this stuff. I'm going to try and put some of this on the floor everywhere, and that way it's kind of comfy to sit on, you know. And then we're gonna block the side wall to my left is bare, and I kind of want to make that like a half wall so that you can still get out from it, but it's not like tons of wind coming through. As well as this side, I'm thinking just ditch the entrance over here, make this the main entrance, so the front of the fort is now going to be the back of the fort, and the old back of the fort is now going to be the front of the fort. So we're going to start blocking out this whole wall. It was kind of unfinished. You guys can see right now it's like pretty much unfinished. Put some sticks up there, make it all windproof basically. So basically just do touch-ups and grass, stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. To start, we got to go find ourselves some grass. Alright guys, so as you can see, I decided to move the table, and because nobody's ever really been to this side, it's really like low down here, so I figured I'll use this as a table. That way we have all this extra room in the middle, very open in the middle as you can see, and the tables are on the side where the old entrance was, so it's really nice. And I'm going to finish putting in the hay in the middle where you guys can see, and then we'll do the roof and some sticks on the walls, and then we're good. Alright guys, so I finished most of the walls. They're all done, I think. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product of the fort today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sweating so much right now. My face looks red as a tomato, so whew, I gotta catch my breath. After I catch my breath, guys, I'm gonna show you the finished product of the fort, and I need to hydrate, so. Alright guys, so we finished the fort for today. It's pretty much good for rainy weather. First look inside so far. I haven't seen it yet. This wall closest to me is done. That whole back wall is done, as you guys saw. Some big branches in here now, so it's gonna be really sturdy. Finished the ground. It's really nice. The roof is looking more secure. And without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Please, 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 if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe, because I worked so hard on this. I spent so much hours on this. I got scrapes all down my legs. It's really bad, actually.